So, morning chems over Darlington. Just some morning chemtrails. They're on the Pennine route. And we've got this white mess everywhere. There's planes snotting us at the moment up there. And it's going right through a massive chemtrail. That's the border that I'm following there. That's the X marks the spot that I recorded earlier. Oh. There's another one trailing, adding to poison. It's just gone overhead. Adding more white muck, heavy metals. Right, let's see who that was. Can't see, sun's in the way now. It's colder than it should be. Cats like it.
It's colder than it should be because it's too hot. Boiling.
Good. So it's too bloody cold on other occasions. That's right over the top. Oh, I can't even turn around like that now. Anyway, let's see who that is. Right, I can imagine this will be terrible to see in sunlight, so let's get a bit of shade. And we have Squeezy Jet. Still can't see it. Squeezy Jet, Switzerland. Airbus registration Hotel Bravo Juliet Yankee India. HBJYI. 550 mile an hour. Well, it's leaving a lot of shit behind it. That's going from Edinburgh to bollocks, France.
Bollocks.
I don't know it. I don't know what area.
What? France?
No, where it's going. I can't make it out. I can't read it. I'm terrible at that.
What reading?
And there's its flight details. Right, that's Squeezy Jet. That's the trail from the Squeezy Jet, Europe. And as we go around this way, Luftwaffe, well, Lufthansa, may as well be German bloody Air Force. Leaving a trail right across the sky. Lufthansa, it's leaving a dirty trail, that one, isn't it? Not a bad zoom for a little camera. Not even on full zoom. Won't be able to hold it if it's on 120. Oh, there we are. That's the best I can do. Can't hold it on that kind of zoom though, that's the only thing. So that one's Lufthansa. Heading towards the other one. I love this little red camera. People take notice of it. The black ones, they think you've got an assault rifle. With the red camera, they can tell it's a camera and where you're pointing the damn thing. So, I know, because they're thick. I'm afraid. More's a pity. Not bad against them, they're just brainwashed. They believe all this is nonsense. That isn't nonsense, that's a bloody big dirty trail. And the other one, which I can't see where I'm looking, to be honest, because it's sun. Right, get the details for that one. Luftwaffe. Where is it? Right, one tablet. Lufthansa. Registration Delta Alpha Bravo Victor November Boeing 747. Tablet's behaving for once. Going from Denver to Frankfurt. Boeing 747 blah 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 blah. Luftwaffe. There's flight details. Right up at top. Snot rocket! Yay! Dirty bastard. German kids.
What?
Nice. Anyway, there we have it. Pennine route. Dirty trail. Spreading out. Left by the Lufthansa, Luftwaffe. Dirty trail over the sun. Left by the squeezy jet. Load of trails, use of frequencies. Heading to be as bad as last night. Right, that's the Luftwaffe trail. That's the remains of the asterisks. It's spreading out, giving us that white shit.
Was that the remains of yours as well?
Yeah, that was a fart. There's another one coming over. Oh, next to church.
Church? Not English, I'm going to see you Lancaster, come on.
That's looking dirty trail. Coming up over the horizon. What?
How close are these with the kettle is splashed up my nose?
Oh well. Kettle on a mission.
Oh god.
So, a lot of trails out there. The whole sky's been obliterated. Look on window. It's a bloody fly. Oh, bloody flies out there.
That's what happens when it gets nice and warm.
It's beautiful and warm out there. Oh, that's spreading out quick, that trail. They're not dispersing, they're just spreading.
Dispersing.
Here it comes, dirty shit. I might go and catch that one out front actually. I'll have sun in my face, won't I?
Your ass was just freaking dirty shit in the moment you see it, so.
Very annoying, and it's blurred. I can cut that bit out, thank you.
You stink though!
I don't
I'm just bleeding up behind you and I can't get away from fucking shit! You stink, you ass sod!
You got to admit though, farts are the funniest thing ever created, aren't they?
No, not yours.
I've not had a madras, you can't blame me.
Yours are not
You
funny.
can. Anyway, he's coming right over the top. Do double glazing. It's only 20 odd times zoom. Oops, let go, slipped off the tap.
Oh God, you're not going to tap dancing, are you?
No. Not much good at anything actually, but
You're good at Roblox and dancing and jumping up and down and banging.
annoying people we. Nom nom nom. Right, to better go and see who that is. It's left a hell of a dirty trail over that way. In distance. Right, I'll go and have a look. That Luftwaffe trail is really bloody clinging. It's not spreading at all. God knows what's in that one.
Fluoride.
Probably council, yeah. As if people aren't thick enough. The other one's dispersed, that early one, that EasyJet. You can still see it, it's spread out like bugger.
As you see here.
Blood, for God's sake, these autofocus cameras are shit.
You've just said that one.
And that's the trail out front. Same plane, I still haven't gone to look who it is. Right across out back, right across out front. On our flat world. Seem to be putting them all over at top of the house at the moment. Right, the one just gone over. Here's another Luftwaffe. Delta Alpha Bravo Yankee Romeo Boeing 747 Los Angeles to Frankfurt. Flight details. And a picture of the snot rocket. It's down over Hull now. Took me a while to get on the computer, but there you go. Luftwaffe. Lufthansa, sorry, get it right.